Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the programming guide channel. In today's video I'm showing you how to fix Google Chrome AW snap error status stack buffer overrun. So if you're having that issue on your Chrome extension, your Chrome browser on Google, this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is you have to click on the three dots right here and you scroll down to settings. So once you scroll down to settings, you are going to click on privacy and security, and you're going to click on third-party cookies. So you click on that and you're going to go straight to see all site data and permission. Click on that, and once you click on that, you're going to search for the website that is having that issue, and you have to delete. So you just have to delete the website immediately just by clicking on that, and you're going to click on delete. So after you have done doing that, you have to go to extensions right here, and you're going to go to manage extensions as well. So once you have all the extensions that are on, so after you must have done that, that is going to fix your problem. If this guide was helpful, give the thumbs up and equally subscribe to get my info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.